everyone, you're welcome back to Tolulicious Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make the ultimate air-fried lamb ribs, perfectly seasoned, tender on the inside and beautifully crispy on the outside. This very recipe is a special request. It is specially requested, so you already know it's going to be a good one. If you haven't seen my first lamb ribs video, make sure you watch it. It's really going viral on YouTube. It's on this page. If you love bold flavor with minimal effort, this recipe is about to be your new favorite. No grill, no oven stress, just your hair fryer working magic in minutes. Stay tuned because this lamb ribs is going to be the best, and I know you're gonna love it. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow us on this channel, and you'll be glad you did. So let's get it started. That is the lamb ribs I'll be using. You can see it here. I just brought it from my butcher. That is it, but it has to be well cleaned before I'll start working with it. So that is what I'm about to do now. I'm going to rinse it very well. And for me to be very sure that it is well clean, I'm going to sprinkle some salt on it, and I'm going to scrub both sides, the front and the back side, with the salt, and I'm going to rinse it very, very well. You can see how it looks. This is fresh. And then I rinsed it very, very well. Look at what we have here. Can you see it? Very clean and also shining because it is very, very clean. If you desire, you can cut it, and if you love, you can leave it whole like this, okay? But I love to cut it like this so that whenever I want to eat it, I just need to pick one, pick two. That is how I want it. Like I've said, if you want it whole like this, or you want to cut it into two, you can also do that. It will still give you the same result. But look at how I cut it here. That is it. And this is how I'm going to work with it. After doing that, I'm going to just transfer it into my tray, and allowed fresh water to just run over it very short. Okay, so this is ready. And before I will start doing anything, I'm going to pat dry it. This is also very important because it will enable those ingredients we are using to really penetrate and enter into the meat very well, and you will love the result. So let's make our marinade. What I have here is salt, brown sugar, curry, garlic powder, ginger powder, nutmeg, seasoning, BBQ spices, smoked paprika. I'm going to be generous with this. I love it. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoonfuls of smoked paprika, and I'm going to add chili into it because I love it spicy. This is optional, okay? Into it now, I will be adding olive oil. That is olive oil. You can see the measurement. That is 1/4 of a cup. So I'm just going to add it into it now. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, kindly do so. Please support this channel. Thank you so much in advance. I'm now going to give it a very good mix together. They need to be well combined, and when it is well mixed, this is how it will look. Now it's now time to marinate the lamb ribs. This part is also important because each has to be well coated. You have to coat each of those lamb ribs very well, and that is what I'm about to do now. You're going to see how I'm going to do that. I'm going to be taking it one after the other and coat it very well. You're going to see how it will look at the end. Can you see it? This is how I'm going to do it. Let me quickly say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for loving my recipes. God bless you. Lovelies, this is how it's going to look when it is well marinated. I'm not going to leave it for 1 hour or 2 hours. If you have enough time, you can do that. But feel free to go ahead and make the preparation of air frying. So I'm preparing the bed now. I'm going to use this olive foil for the down, and on top of it I'm just going to place this baking paper on it, just because I don't want to place it direct on the aluminium foil. That is the bed for the lamb ribs. And on top of this, I'm going to arrange the lamb ribs one after the other. So on top of it, I'm just going to place another baking paper on it because it has to be well covered. And on top of the paper, I'm going to also place the aluminium foil, just like a duvet. We made a bed and now a duvet on it. It is now time to cover it well. It is so easy to fold it all around, to be well covered. That is what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to repeat the same process and just fold it. This is very easy and very, very direct. At this stage, I preheated my hair fryer up to 170 centigrade because we are going to slow cook this to get the beautiful results we are looking for. Now the hair fryer is ready. I'm now just going to place our well covered lamb ribs into it. Be careful because that is hot already. So I'm just going to set my hair fryer now for 1 hour. 170 centigrade for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, I open it and lovelies, look at what we're going to have. The aroma here says it all. We slow cooked this. It took time to really enjoy the marinade. Look at how juicy it looks. So I'm just going to get my spoon to get part of this gravy and cover the lamb ribs with it. Yes, that is how I took my time to do this. And now I increased the air fryer up to 200 centigrade. I'm now going to place it back for 5 to 7 minutes. Depends on how crispy you want the outside to be. And lovelies, after 5 minutes, this is what I have. This is too perfect. This is very delicious, very direct, super juicy. Feel free to serve it with anything. If you love to eat it like this, you can do that. Get your favorite sauce and enjoy this. If you haven't watched the oven made lamb ribs, it is on this channel. It is going viral. Try and watch it and also give this a try. I bet that you're going to love it. This is very, very good.